Alright, so now I'm going to talk about how to actually plug something into the system, which obviously is pretty important. So here's your typical mic. Oops, sorry. So this is a Shure SM58, which is your typical vocal mic. There's several different types of microphones that you'd use. The ones on the drums are different, but for vocals, this is usually what you'll use, and it's usually what we have here at Calvary. So you'll see on the bottom here we've got a 3-pin connection, and then you've got your XLR cable, which has 3 holes on one end, and on the other end has 3 prongs that you would plug in. So we can go ahead and well, can't really show this and do it at the same time. If we plug it into our mic, it's taking forever. So plugging that in there, and it'll snap. Okay, so that leaves us with this end. So here's where pretty much everything plugs in on stage. This is, we call it kind of the snake because it's a big snake that runs all the way back to the soundboard. But here's all of the ends that we would plug in on the stage end. So you see your typical, there's your XLR cable. These are all XLR cables really. So on this end you have the 3 holes. And so we'll put this in the utility channel, which is mic 18. So notice it can only go in one way. So you'll push that in, and this in. Now if we want to take it out, you need to push in this little tab to loosen it and to make it unlock. Just FYI. So now it's in there. And I will run back to the board and finish this in a second.